Let's see if this Tenshodo SD24 can negotiate an extremely difficult piece of track work right here. Now that we've got all-wheel pickup, see if we can make it. Coming in nice and slow. Going to cross over. And that was actually pretty good. You can see where it almost stalled out a couple times, because I'm not giving it any power at all. That is a brass locomotive. See that? I'm not giving it anything to get across those switches. And they have huge, these frogs are dead rail. I don't power the frogs. That's not even half powered. That right there is about half powered. Try something else. See if we can make it through. I have here an entire row of number 4 switches of various kinds. Some of them are actually steel track, old brass. There's another one. I don't remember what this is. I think that's steel. Look at that frog. These are like AHM, Tyco, Bachmann, Lifelike, and there's an Atlas. There's a bunch of them in a row. We're going to see who's going to make it. I haven't cleaned any of this track in like 2 years. But it was all coated with an antioxidant. Yeah, we got to clean up that wire. That's about half. That's pretty good.